Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first episode of Learn with Sam. So this particular episode is for especially for the class 10 students who are getting prepared for the board exams for the year 2026. So let me start today with the chapter trigonometry. So this is the first question. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. So for this particular question, as you all know the identity is, since we know that since secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. You have to learn this by heart. By using this identity, we are going to solve the problem. So what is let us substitute this in place of, so before that, first I'm going to copy the question. So I'm going to prepare you for the board exam. So first let us write solution as the side heading, then copy down the question. Given tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So in place of this one, I'm going to substitute this identity. So how is it going to change? Let us see. Tan theta plus secant theta minus, in the brackets you're going to write secant square theta minus tan square theta. But the denominator I'm going to keep it the same, which is nothing but tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now when you observe this is in the form of what? A square minus b square. Since you know what is another identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This you know the identity. Now I would suggest all the students to write these identities in boxes, so that the examiner, when he or she is correcting your paper, he should be very clear and he should be confident that you know the answer very well, the student who is writing the exam paper. Now let us substitute this. So it will be tan theta plus secant theta minus, this is A and this is B. So how will you write? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. The denominator will be as it is. That is nothing but tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So how it will be? This is one bracket and this is another bracket. So from these two brackets, what is common? Tan theta plus secant theta is common. So let us take out common from these two brackets. Tan theta plus secant theta, if I take out common, so what will be remaining? This is removed from this. I mean, you have taken this out. So this will be 1 minus, what is remaining here? Secant theta minus tan theta whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So it will be equal to what? Tan theta plus secant theta into 1. Now opening the brackets, minus secant theta, minus into minus is plus tan theta whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now if you see, observe the numerator and the denominator, these both are common in that. So this and this gets cancelled. So what is remaining? Tan theta plus secant theta. Now you know how can you write tan theta? Tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta. This is another identity that we are using. And what is secant theta? Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. This is also one more identity that we are using. So how are we going to write it? Sine theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. Now this, if we take LCM, these both are common. So you'll get 1 plus sine theta by cos theta. See, if you observe this and this, hence proof you have got. So you should write here, hence proof. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, then you can drop a comment and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Now the homework for you would be cot A prove that cot A plus cosec A minus 1 by cot A minus cosec A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus cos A by sin A. So this would be a homework, and if you find any doubts, then you can always ask me, drop a comment, and I'll be more than happy to help you.